Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay out in PayPal. First, we will explore the various methods available for withdrawing your funds, ensuring you understand each option. Then, we'll guide you through the simple process of linking your bank accounts or debit cards securely. Finally, we'll cover the typical processing times and any associated fees, so you can manage your expectations. Our goal is to help you confidently and efficiently access your money from your PayPal account whenever you need it, making the entire experience smooth and straightforward. To link your financial accounts, begin by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the Wallet section. Here, you will find options to link either a bank account or a debit card. For a bank account, you'll need to provide your routing and account numbers. For a debit card, simply enter the card details. PayPal will then initiate a small verification process, often involving tiny deposits or card authorizations to ensure your account's security. This step is crucial for secure and successful transfers. Once your accounts are linked, initiating a withdrawal is straightforward. From your PayPal dashboard, locate the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option. Select your desired linked bank account or debit card as the destination for your money. Carefully enter the exact amount you wish to transfer, keeping in mind any minimum transfer requirements. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the transaction details to ensure accuracy. Confirming the payout will then send your funds on their way. When considering payouts, it's important to be aware of potential fees and processing times. Some withdrawal methods may incur small charges, which could be a percentage of the amount or a flat fee. Standard bank transfers typically take between 1 to 3 business days to complete. However, if you opt for an instant transfer to an eligible debit card, your funds could arrive within 30 minutes, though this option often comes with a slightly higher fee. Always consult PayPal's official site for the most current information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.